In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Messenger app, then at the top right hand corner hit add pen icon. It gives you option to create a group, just hit right here at create new group. And here you can add new members to that group. You can just check mark those persons whom you want to add to your group in that way, or you can use search to search for some specific persons. So I can hit right there and then start typing something, and now I can in that way check mark those persons to add them to that group. Next, all I have to do is right here hit on create to create a group, and that's it. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.